What I'm trying to advertise here is that by doing this little exercise, suddenly the multiplication tables have less arbitrariness. It's not an accident that 4 times 6, 24, is 1 less than 5 times 5, right? It's not an accident that 6 times 6, 36, is 1 more than 5 times 7, right?
Yeah.
Or 7 times 7, 49, minus 1, 6 times 8. Now, doesn't that make it shows you some structure in these numbers, so they're not just memorized separately, but there's a relationship between them. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, and there, let's just say that there's an opportunity to find a lot of different patterns.
Ah, okay. Well, now, in fact, let me ask you to do something next, which is this. Whenever you have an insight, and this is one of the most standard and important and potent strategies of investigating the world, is whenever you make progress in anything, whenever you have an insight that you didn't have before, that's the time to think about that insight and see whether you can push it further. This is the flow of ideas. That is, that every idea leads to another idea. And so when you've thought of something, try to see what follows even further. So in this case, you've seen that if you take this square grid, and it has a certain size, then by taking that top row and making it vertical, you can create a rectangle that is 1 wider and 1 less tall, and there's 1 square, 1 tile left over. Okay? Now, let me ask you for some questions. What are some related questions, very closely related to this? Try to not leap ahead, but try to make it as close to this as you can, that where you could ask the question, does this still work if I do such and such? What would be a related kind of a question?